Here's how to do problem 12. Feel free to give it a shot and keep watching to see the solution. Okay, here's the solution. So the answer choices talk about it being either a linear function or a quadratic function. So it makes sense to look at the differences. So 53 plus how much is 78? Plus 25. 78 plus how much is 97? Plus 19 plus 13 plus 7. Okay, so it cannot be a linear function because these numbers are all different. Okay, so it's a quadratic function. Why is it a quadratic function? Because the rate of change over consecutive equal length input value intervals is constant. What does this mean? So rate of change, that's these numbers here, over consecutive equal length input value intervals. So that's just a fancy way of saying these numbers are evenly spaced. Is constant. So the rates of change are constant. Basically, it's saying these things are all equal, which is not true. Let's check D. Because the change in the average rates of change. So change in the average rates of change. That means we have to look at the difference between the average rates of change. So this time we have to subtract 6 to go from here to here. Subtract 6, subtract 6. Okay. And they're saying that's constant, which is true. This is the same. So it's D.